Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be seeing a very famous mutton recipe, and it's Nalli Nihari. Nalli Nihari or Mutton Nihari is a traditional Mughlai dish where goat shank meat is stewed to perfection with aromatic spices that makes this recipe so very delectable and amazing to taste. So friends, let's get started with the making of Nalli Nihari recipe. So first we'll make the Nihari Masala, which is the essence of this mutton recipe. For that you will need some whole spices like 10 to 12 cloves or long, 5 to 6 green cardamoms or elaichi, 2 black cardamoms or bari elaichi, 2 star anise or chakra phool. Next, this is Jaifal or nutmeg. And this is how a whole nutmeg or Jaifal looks like. Only half of this will be enough. Then you will also need 1 mace or Javitri, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns or kali mirch. Next, this is long pepper or Peppali in Hindi, which is an essential ingredient in the making of Nihari Masala. You will need 4 to 5 of it. 1 long cinnamon stick or dalchini, 1 tablespoon of Shahi Zeera or Caraway seeds, 1 tablespoon of Fennel seeds or Saunf, 1 tablespoon of Coriander seeds or Sabut Dhaniya, and 1 teaspoon of Jeera or cumin seeds. And now we need to dry roast them and then grind this into a powder. And here is our aromatic spice mix. And into this now we will add some more spices like 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity of red chilli powder as per your spice level. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color. 1.5 teaspoon of salt or ginger powder. 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And we'll now transfer these spices or masala into the bowl of our roasted and grounded aromatic spice mix. We'll now mix all the spices well so that they are well combined. Now we don't need this whole of the spice mix, which is basically our Nihari Masala, and it's very aromatic and strong. We will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of it, and the rest we can store in an airtight container. So our Nihari Masala is ready, which is the essence of our Nalli Nihari. And if your Nihari Masala is good, then your Mutton Nihari will also turn out amazing. We'll keep this aside now. Next, in this bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of roasted besan or gram flour. You can also add wheat flour if you want. And now into this we will add some water and mix this well so that we get a lumps free smooth batter. We'll add water and mix it well until we get a free flowing consistency. And this is also ready. And here in this bowl I have taken around 700 grams of mutton or goat with the shank portion, also called nalli. So while making Nalli Nihari, include the shank portion where you also get good meat of the goat, and I have included the fat portion also so that our Nalli Nihari turns out delicious. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that I have heated 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pressure cooker, and when the oil is hot enough we will add 3 large onions which has been thinly sliced. And now on medium flame we will saute the onions till they are well browned. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. So by now the onions are well fried. At this stage we will add the nalli or the goat shank along with the meat and the fat portions of the mutton. And on medium to high flame we will fry the mutton for at least 4 to 5 minutes till the color of the mutton slightly changes. And once the mutton turned golden brown in color, we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And now again we will fry the mutton along with the ginger garlic paste for another 5 to 6 minutes till the raw smell of the mutton as well as the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. So we have fried the mutton for at least 10 minutes on medium to high flame, and they are well browned by now. At this stage, we will add 3 tablespoons of the Nihari Masala which we had prepared earlier. And now on low flame, we will fry the mutton along with the Nihari Masala for another 3 to 4 minutes till the masala is well coated with the mutton. So our mutton is well fried with the Nihari Masala by now. We'll add now some water and we'll mix this once. I will add now a little bit of salt as we had not added salt separately apart from the salt added in the Nihari Masala. And now we will close the lid and cook the mutton on low to medium flame for until 6 to 8 whistles till they are soft and tender. Let's check the mutton now after it has been pressure cooked. I will take out some of the mutton fat that has been converted into oil because the fat has melted in the cooking process. And now we will transfer this into a large karahi. And here you can see the mutton has been cooked well. And at this stage we will add the roasted besan or gram flour mixture into the curry which will make the curry thick. And while adding, we need to continuously stir this well with a large spoon or ladle. We'll let them simmer on low flame for 2 minutes. And here you can see the mutton curry has thickened and our Nalli Nihari is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our Nalli Nihari or Mutton Nihari into the serving bowl, and you can enjoy it with roti, naan, kulcha or even with rice and pulao. I will now pour the mutton fat or oil on top which we had extracted and kept it separately earlier, which will further enhance the flavor of our mutton or Nalli Nihari. For garnishing, we will add few ginger strips, chilli sliced diagonally, lemon slices or wedges, and a small bunch of coriander leaves. That's it. Our Nalli Nihari is now ready to be enjoyed. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious mutton recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.